graves as this in America.
No, this is very unusual.
They said this is like the most affordable boarding house.
Yeah, so this is what a Filipino cemetery looks like. You basically rent one of these little boxes. I don't want to show anyone's name and stuff, just out of respect for people, but yeah, they're small. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 1 foot across, just the length of my forearm. 1 foot by 1 foot by 4 feet. You rent it, and when your money's up, they pull you out. We're gonna celebrate Filipino Halloween. What's it called? A Day of Souls?
Yeah, so All Souls Day.
All Souls Day. Okay. This is the real thing you're supposed to do here. Get kalag-kalag.
That's right.
Yeah. You sure it's okay to film here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kung sa laing dapit, naatay pagandumong misa para sa kalag-kalag, taong Nobyembre 1, 2025. Alas 9 sa untag, nga pagsahan ni Archbishop
We have to find a big cross.
Daghang salamat.
Big what?
A big cross where we could offer a
Okay.
prayer.
Do we have like a big fire here you're supposed to throw the candles into?
No, you're just gonna put it like that. Like what they do. Like what they do. They're just gonna put it. They said the cross is on the middle.
Where?
It's on the middle though.
Okay.
Let's just walk for a while. They have like the same graves as this in America.
No, this is very unusual.
They said this is like the most affordable boarding house.
Yeah, so this is what a Filipino cemetery looks like. You basically rent one of these little boxes. I don't want to show anyone's name and stuff, just out of respect for people, but yeah, they're small. Maybe, I don't know, maybe 1 foot across, just the length of my forearm. 1 foot by 1 foot by 4 feet. You rent it, and when your money's up, they pull you out. Yeah. I don't think I could fit in there.
You know, some coffins are big.
Yeah, in America they just put you in the ground, but here ground is very expensive.
Yeah.
So they put you in one of these places. Trying to be respectful and not get too many people, you know, paying respects to their ancestors. A lot of these are empty though, which is unusual. When I was in Cebu and went to this, it was full, like it was packed. But people come and they put flowers, they burn candles to remember the dead. They even eat food. They'll hang out here overnight. Yeah.
Like if you don't have like a family member buried here, you could just pray over to the big cross.
Okay.
Every cemetery has that there.
Okay. Notice is given that the Davao government shall be exhuming buried remains on expired contracts. Yeah. So you lease it for 6 years. If your family doesn't pay after 6 years, they dig you up and they put you in a big mass grave, unfortunately.
That's the old, I think this is the old.
These are the old ones.
Yeah. You see, it took like a lot bigger space.
Yeah, they had bigger spaces, bigger headstones. Yeah.
That one is much more organized and you could put a lot of it.
Yeah, those are stacked high. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's like eight or nine high. There's even a giant furnace there. I hate to think of what they're burning in there.
Maybe the bones that no one's gonna clean.
Exactly.
Some areas grave is the grave is that's grave, right? Like if it's very like high, there are like people you could ask to like light a candle at the top. Just pay some money.
In Cebu, you could pay people to like clean the grave and stuff for you. There were like lots of people hanging out at the cemetery.
Light a candle.
Huh?
It's hard to light a candle at the top.
Yeah, that high for sure. Maybe we'll go get some of the road action. I didn't record until we went in, But there's tons of people outside selling
It's like
candles.
a condo to be like building and floor.
Yeah. Lots of people having picnics and stuff. Hey, bro. Do you have like a list of your family that you keep?
No. Usually on like All Souls Day we go to church and then there's like a piece of paper we're gonna put all the names of our family members who
But someone in
died.
your family has that list?
Yeah.
I know my ex, she had like a list that she had to keep because her mom was gone and dad.
Ah.
Yeah, so you have to keep a list and then they keep praying for you every year. Okay. You ready? Columbarium. Back there with a little place with the cross. It's called the Bone Depository. It's where you put all the bones. I guess when you can't pay. That little altar there is where if you don't have family in the cemetery, you go and light a candle, say a little prayer. So remember my dad and a couple of friends passed on. Where do you want to go now?
Kapag caravan. We
Now-
have to go to different place before we go home.
Yeah, you have to go somewhere. What's it called in Visayas?
Palimangno alang sa tanan.
I don't know if there's such a thing.
The thing you do after a
Yeah.
cemetery?
But sometimes it's ano. No, it's not. It's for burial, babe.
Burial.
But when you go to cemetery,
You have to go somewhere else.
like we should like step on like something with the smoke. I
Step on
guess.
something?
Yeah. I guess they don't do it here. Like you're gonna lit up some leaves or grasses for a smoke, and then you're gonna step on it.
Okay. They have something in English, it kind of translates to dusting off. We have to go somewhere else. Also, I guess we have to put smoke on our feet. I'm not sure. Yeah.
We haven't seen anyone doing it here.
No.
Right.
But we can look around if you want.
Look around.
Might be loud because they're announcing all the names of people who put their family members on the prayer list. But you can see in the back, it's just all these apartments. A lot of people just having picnics with their deceased family.
It will be much more social in like memorial parks.
Yeah.
Yeah, more family are gonna have picnics there because there's much more area.
Is this the poor?
It's like we call that public cemetery.
Public cemetery. They're much more like fancy ones. But we went to the one closest to us, which is not as fancy. One thing I noticed here as opposed to Cebu is there's less offerings. Some people have left Coke, like Coca-Cola. Most people leave flowers and candles, but in Cebu they were leaving like cigarettes, whiskey, chicken, rice, all sorts of good stuff. So we're gonna look around, I guess. It's really not too much. Someone left, is that Jollibee? Is it Suman? Chicken. And chips and chocolate milk. These people left bread and some like Mountain Dew. Some people got orange drink. So they're leaving stuff for their family. I saw some people painting the graves. So it's nice. Is there one in your hometown that you go to in Panapo?
Yeah, there are like public cemeteries too there.
Okay.
But the closest to us is like a fancier cemetery. You could just walk.
Okay. All right. Well, we might record more when we get outside of here. Bye. All right. And we're out. Immediately. Blues everywhere. So yeah, that was interesting. I noticed a lot of death dates were in 2020. We both saw that over and over again. So I don't know what that tells you, but it's not good probably. We're gonna walk to the market now. What else are we gonna see, baby? Just the market?
Yeah,
Yeah.
just the market.
Okay.
Mabilis na yan. Here, sa craft.
Starbucks. Lots of options. Winter melon, red velvet avocado, caramel, cookies and cream, caramel, ube, hazelnut, blue lemonade, strawberry caramel sugar. I mean, there's like 100 flavors, so what are you gonna get, baby?
I was thinking about milk tea or lemonade.
Which milk tea, though?
The dark chocolate. Oh, I'll have dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate? Okay. I might get the pandan frap.
Ducks.
Super good.
Okay.
I don't know how big they are. It says, what's juts? Small?
Yeah, that's like a gay lingo.
Gay lingo?
Shoots is small.
Okay.
They often refer that to, you know, men's.
Okay. So, super small, small, big, and super big.
Isa ka pandan na super duck.
Okay, yeah. I'll see that.
Isa ka pandan na. Tapos, isa ka kanang frap na pandan.
Additional pearl kasi wala sa pearl pag ano frap.
Wala sa?
Wala sa pearl.
Do you want pearl or anything? No, add-ons?
No, I'm okay.
Okay na. Ang milk tea dahil isa ka dark chocolate na isa ka dako juice. Kaya lang, isa. Tapos add on og ano, nata jelly.
Yan na lang pearl.
Oo.
Dark chocolate no?
Oo, dark chocolate. Wala na siya pearl mapot, no?
Na, pero pag mag-add ka ng iba, mawala na itong pearl.
Sige. Okay, nata jelly na lang.
133.
Got my sugar mama paying.
It's very big, no?
Yeah. All right, we'll be back. Oh, are you excited? Yeah.
Dark chocolate.
Just watching everything go by. Thank you, boss.
The different. What's good? For quality. It's really good.
I thought a frap was supposed to be like blended.